Flip the unit over and remove 6 6mm screws and 2 8mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lay the palmrest down. Peel back the tape. And unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel up the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the touchpad. Peel back the tape, and remove 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partly up to slide the touchpad free. Slide the touchpad back into place and replace the 3 2mm screws. Don't forget to replace the tape. Plug the touchpad cable back into the touchpad. The easiest way to plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard might be to flip the palmrest over and plug it in from underneath. Then flip the palmrest back, and plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. And lastly, plug the battery back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest back into place and push down to secure it. Close the unit, flip it back over, and replace the 6 6mm screws and 2 8mm screws.